Hello! I'm finally getting the strength to do this unboxing. I have a couple of videos to make. I just didn't have the strength really to do them. I was gonna do one yesterday, but of course the news, it's still affecting me. The announcement by Riho on her graduation, on her sudden graduation, really affected me, and I was thinking of doing a video of that, but I think I'm gonna wait until the day she graduates to release it, because I think it'd be a bit better and I'll have my thoughts ironed out. Right now I have a lot of raw emotions, and it's kind of taking a toll on me, and so I'd rather leave that for later. Why am I doing this? But I don't want to wait any longer to open these bad boys. I have actually two unboxings. I'm gonna make two separate videos. You guys already know. Yeah, y'all know what that is, guys. It's Japonism by A.RA.SHI, the newest album. I always like this whole thing with A.RA.SHI albums. They have, what the heck is that? They always have this whole like cool little flap thing, and yeah, I always just put it back, and then I put it on my little shelf, and it's freaking awesome. This is this is the limited edition that comes with the DVD, with the music video for Kokoro no Sora and the making of. So we're gonna open this up like this. Oh my gosh, I'm looking at the screen. So oh, look at that. Look at this. It's so beautiful. I hope yeah. And then of course, same thing. And here's the booklet, placed nicely in this little pocket right here. Let's take that out. I don't want to spoil too much of the booklet because I want you guys to buy it. You guys gotta buy it, man. Come on, like this is Japonism, man. There's this guy. Yeah, love him. So blurry. I hate it. Yes. My boy. That's my boy. Boy right there. You. Yep. Love it. And this. There it is. It's beautiful. Fine. It's just mostly pictures of them doing the dance. You know. Yeah. And then the lyrics. If I had to give my little review of the song, because I've been listening to it for quite some time now, I'd say amazing. Just A.RA.SHI just knows how to dish it out. I mean, come on, man. Like, they have so much to offer in this album. They have like over 16 new songs, and that's not even counting like, well, I mean, I don't know if that counts the, yeah, like 14 new songs, a cover, Sorry, I'm sick. I think I'm getting sick. And then there's their title song, Kokoro no Sora, which was made in collaboration with Hote Tomoyasu. I'm pretty sure that's how you say his name. He is the one that made the Kill Bill soundtrack. You know what song it is. I'm gonna play it. And the dance is freaking cool. Ono helped choreograph it, and yeah, just can go watch it. I mean, what the heck? And their new solo songs, they actually only got only two singles on here. It's Sakura and oh god, Aozora no Shite Shita. Oh my lord, never remember it. Aozora no Shita Kimi no Tonari. They only have those two. They didn't have I Will Sakebi because they're smart and that's how they get so much money. Go listen to it. Go get it. So, get it, listen to it, and just be amazed by it. Shiro, and see you guys later. Boom.